Hello, everyone. I'm here today to discuss with you on how you can set up your autoresponder for your business. It is easy and can help optimize your communication with your customers. Autoresponder is a smart tool that we have available as a feature that you can use in SMS-it. So, for us to get started, let's go ahead and log into your account. I'm already logged in, as you can see in our demo account. And in order for you to set it up, you just go to Smart Tools here on your left side and go to Autoresponders. Once in your autoresponder page, click on the action button here in the upper right corner and click on add autoresponder. Now under groups, just choose the group that you want the autoresponder to be sent to. So if you haven't watched our video and onboarding video, please look it up. I've discussed there on how you can add a group and why it's important. This is technically where you're going to start up creating a group for your campaign or any marketing campaigns that you're building up. So let's say, for example, we have a group here. We're gonna go with real estate, for example, right? And put the name for your autoresponder, something that any name actually would do. Just for you to just know on what this autoresponder is for. So let's say we choose the group for real estate, so let's just put real estate in there as well. Right, so if you have a message template that you pre-created, you can also use that here. So we have, like, for example, these available options. So you can see it just pops up right away. And then if you have a mobile splash page, you can also use that to be sent over to our to your group here. So let's not use them for now. Um, let's maybe just use a message template right here. Now, if you want to send out an MMS, you can either choose SMS or MMS for the autoresponder. So we're gonna go with SMS for now. And this responder message is what your group would receive, and they would receive this after they actually join into your group. Now, if you recall, um, creating a group has its own auto response already. So this is like a secondary auto respond. So that's if in case you have like follow up messages to them. Um, you can also send out like links or any kind of another secondary respond. So it's important that to note that you've already created a first response. While this immediate response is useful, you may want to consider delaying the autoresponder and adding context that complements the group or keyword responder. This will provide more value to your customers, build relationships, and help increase engagement. All right. Right. So let's say this will be sent over in the second day. So you're gonna say like, "Welcome to your," or the next day is what I mean. "Welcome to your first day with our group. I'm glad you could join." Right. And then you can add some links here or whatever you need to, just for them to be able to um, engage with you. Right. So next up is a mandatory appended message. Now, this is required by regulatory commissions to include an opt out option for recipients who no longer wish to receive message from you. So it's mandatory in there. And you have the option to delay the sending of the message or the autoresponder by setting a delay in hours or days right here and from the time of subscription. So if you want to send the autoresponder immediately, just set the send after sign up field to 0 right here. So we just can put 0 there so that it would send automatically. You can also have the hover your mouse here in the question mark so that you can see the tip or information on how it this works. Right, very very awesome. Now, one other thing that I've missed is the merge tags here. If you want to personalize your message to to the group that you'll be sending this to. You can just put the merge tags here, like their names, specifically, current date, email, city, um, any other information. Just hover your mouse here on this green tag icon. So, for example, we're gonna hear welcome and the name, and that should do it. All right, let's go ahead and save this. And for us to show you if it really works, I'm gonna go ahead and send or join the group that this real estate is tied up into. So I believe it's under real estate as well is the group. And let's just read the message that was set up into it just to be sure. So it's only a test text. Okay. Let's just say welcome. And the keyword is open house. So we're gonna send that from our other account just for us to see if how it works. So going into our other account, I'm gonna send a message here to my number, which is 1628 282 151 008. That's where this is where we set up our autoresponder. So the keyword again was open house. I'm gonna send it to that number, and keyword is open house. And remove this so that we can really be joined into the group. And let's see if how it works. Send. All right, so let's take a look. Let's refresh it. And checking out the messages here, it seems like we got the message. Let's just double check in SMS chat. All right, so as you can see, we got the first response, which is from the contacts keyword group. Welcome to real estate. And it seems like we've also set up another response here to provide our birthday. But this is the autoresponder. As you can see, welcome and to your first day with our group. I'm glad you were able to join. Now, the personalization of the merge tag didn't work because we weren't able to add the name when we got added. But this should work afterwards. If you had it set up on the next day onwards, then it would have added the name already. But since we didn't have the name yet, so it didn't catch up the name. But as you can see, this is how the autoresponder works. And again, you can set it up to be sent out in the next few days or hours. So that could work strategically for you in marketing. All right. So I hope you can utilize this. We do have some other use cases that you can apply this to make some more bucks or money um, out of your business. So I'll be posting that on the description on this video, and it's a link to our blog that we created for use cases. And I hope it helps you guys. And before I go, I'd just like to tell you or let you know that version 2.0 is going to be coming up soon. Alpha version is actually going to be released by the end of the year. And by next year, we're hoping to release the beta version by January. Um, and then full version would be like around March, most likely February or March or April. And just to let you know, these are the new pricing for our version 2.0. So as you can see, it's going to be um, much higher than the usual, but because we have some new functions and features available for you guys, especially you have like a lot of users now that you can be included within the package. Plus, we have decentralized connection and workflow automation as well. Workflow automation is how you can um, create automation within the platform in SMS-it itself. That way, you can automate everything like receiving the message and then you send it out to your CRM or platform. Anything that can be possible for automation. So, I suggest you grab a package now because you would be grandfather and you won't have to purchase this new pricing in the future, and you would be you would be upgraded automatically to version 2.0. So I hope that you take this opportunity before the year ends. And lastly, if you haven't joined our Facebook group yet, I'm also going to post or include the Facebook link for you to join into the video description. Um, so that's about it, guys. Thank you, and I hope you all have a good day. Take care.